This question belongs to algorithm subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 set 3. So the question states, you have an array of n elements. Suppose you implemented quicksort by always choosing the central element of the array as pivot. Central element means middle element. Okay. Then the tightest upper bound for the worst case performance is. So when does worst case of quicksort occur? We have studied that it occurs when the array is sorted in either ascending order or in descending order, and we are taking first or last element as the pivot. Why? Because if we take first element as pivot, then on the left nothing will come and on right everything will come. So n minus 1 elements will come on right. Again n minus 1 elements will come on right. It will be a skewed tree of height n. So, and the quicksort partitioning takes order of n at each level. So complexity is order of n square. Same for this case. Here everything will come on right and nothing will go on left. Again everything will come on right. So complexity will be order of n square. Now we have studied one more thing, that if we are having a sorted array and if we take the middle element as the pivot, then what happens? Then half will come on left, half will come on right, n by 2 over here, n by 2 over here. Again half will come on left, half will come on right, half will come on left, half will come on right. So complexity will be T of n by 2 equals to 2t n by 2 plus n for partitioning. So it comes out to be order of n log n. Okay, but now see this question. In this question it is not given that the array is sorted. It is given you are just given an array of n elements. So they can be on any order. We can have something like 10, 9, 3, 5, 1, 7, 15, 17, something like that, random order. Now, can worst case occur in this case? If we are taking the central element, it is middle element, not median. If it was given median element, then what is the meaning of median? Median means first sort it and take the middle element. In that case, it will be always order of n log n. But here it is given middle element. So can we have worst case in middle element? Yes. Suppose middle was 1. Okay. So how will partitioning be? Nothing will be on left, everything is greater. So n minus 1 will come over here. Now again suppose that middle comes out to be 2. So nothing on left, everything on right. Again middle comes out to be 3. So in that case also we will get the skewed tree. So T of n will be T of n minus 1 elements on one side plus T of 0 elements on one side plus complexity for partitioning algo is n. So it comes out to be T of n equals to order of n square. So answer to this question is option A, order of n square. As worst case can occur in middle element case, not the median element. Median element will have order of n log n. But middle element can have worst case performance of order of n square.